Welcome to this video series in which I'm going to show you how to succeed with Facebook ads. Now, why is Facebook a great place to advertise on? Well, Facebook has more than 1 billion users, and it allows you to laser target people for all kinds of products and services in every niche. Alright, so here we are on the Facebook site, the home page, and if you want to advertise, you would just go down on the very bottom here and look for the link that says create ad. Now, before you create your ad, it's important to know what CTR is, or click-through rate, and what you should be aiming for. So that's what I'm going to be talking about in the next video. In this video, I want to quickly cover the importance of CTR and what you should be aiming for. CTR stands for click-through rate and is a way to measure the success of your ads. And to calculate your CTR, basically it is the number of clicks you get from your ad divided by the number of times your ad is shown, or impressions. And this is expressed as a percentage. And the higher your CTR rate is, the lower your CPC will be. CPC stands for cost per click. And ideally here on Facebook ads, you want to aim for a CTR of 0.3% or higher. In this video, I want to talk about the importance of using images for your ads. The site that I'm on right now is gettyimages.com, and it's a great site to find royalty-free images. Now, of course, there's other places on the net where you can find images, great images that you can use for your ads, but just remember that a lot of images out there have a copyright on them, so you do have to be careful and do your due diligence. Now, let me just say this, that images play the biggest role in increasing your CTR, or your click-through rate. So try to choose images that have that wow factor, or make people curious enough to want to click on your ads. And your main goal when creating your ads, your Facebook ads, is to get people to click on your ads. Remember that, it's not to sell them on your product yet, okay? So when you first start your campaign, try to find at least 50 images that are suitable for your campaign, and make sure that these images do not have a copyright on them. Okay, so basically it's important to test as many different images as possible to find the winners that will increase your CTR. And one last tip about images is that generally marketers will find that the CTR goes down after a few days, so it's important to change or rotate your images constantly. In this video, I want to quickly talk about the likes and interests section when creating your Facebook ads. So basically, during the process of creating an ad, there will be a section where you can select the likes and interests of the people that you are marketing to. So this is a great way to target your audience and increase your CTR. Earlier I talked about images. That's a great way to grab attention, but choosing the right likes and interests will grab the attention of the right people. So you have to do your research and know who your market audience is and what they like. So make sure you find likes and interests that are associated with the product you are advertising. When creating your Facebook ads, you can decide on the countries that you want to target. Now, clicks from USA are very valuable and therefore are more expensive than clicks from other countries. So if you decide to run campaigns in non-English speaking countries, make sure to get your ads translated. The site I'm on right now is called onehourtranslation.com, and it's a great site you can use for translating your ads.